A simple Italian bread recipe for a bread machine uses 1½ cups of warm water. Make sure the kneading paddle is in place. Two tablespoons of olive oil. One teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 4 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour. Make a small indentation in the flour for 2½ teaspoons of bread machine or rapid rise yeast. This makes a 2-pound loaf. Put the ingredients into the bread pan in this order, especially if you're using a timer. If the yeast makes contact with the liquid, it will activate the yeast. Put the bread pan into the machine. Choose the Italian bread cycle or the basic bread cycle. Choose a 2-pound loaf and choose your crust setting.